Did you know pangolins are the only mammals covered in scales? One incredible thing about these fascinating creatures is their ability to roll into a ball when threatened, providing them protection. Their scales are made of keratin, the same material as human nails, and can make them almost impervious to predators. Not only that, but pangolins are also expert diggers, using their long, sticky tongues to extract ants and termites from deep within mounds. Interestingly, scientists found out that pangolins have a unique way of communicating, using a series of low-frequency sounds. What's your favorite animal? And did you know this about pangolins?